Okay, so if y'all aren't aware, which I'm pretty sure most of you are aware, there's a snowstorm hitting Texas and like a few other U.S. states, and so I woke up, and I went to the other house. That's something I need to talk about in the future, but I went to the other house, and I was there for like at least an hour, I think. So, uh. my mom told me to like, go shower and shit, and I was like, okay then. So I walk upstairs. I go upstairs. The table is moved and shit. I'm like, wow, this is great. And then also, the painting is also gone. I don't know if a lot of people noticed, but there was actually a painting here. Yeah, there it is. There's a painting here. Now it's not there. I really like the painting too, but yeah.